Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can add subscription products to our WooCommerce store. In some of the previous videos we saw how we can add simple products, downloadable products, variable products and group products in our website. If you have not seen those videos, you'll find the link in description. Today we'll see how we can add recurring subscription product to our store. Now subscription products are recurring payment products that the customers have to pay for the subscription after every specified interval of time. As an example, you can think of a web hosting company that sells subscriptions. Initially, we purchase the web hosting, let's say for 1 year, and then after 1 year, our subscription is automatically expired and we have to renew our subscription to keep using the web hosting. So these kinds of products are called subscription products. For the demonstration of how a subscription product will look like, let me show you a product. Okay, this is a recurring subscription product that we'll be adding to our website in this video. You can see that this product is available for subscription in $27 for 1 month with a 14 days free trial. And after 1 month, automatically this subscription will expire and the customer will have to renew his subscription to keep using the service. And we can provide an additional free trial as well. We can change these subscription durations and free trial periods. So let's jump right into it and see how we can create subscription products like this on our website. I'll go to my dashboard. I'll go to products and add new. Here I'll have to add the name for my product. Okay, let's say this is the name for my product. Now I'll have to add some product description. I'll go to Lorem Ipsum. And I'll copy some text from here and I'll paste it back in the product description. I'll scroll down and this is where we choose product type. We have already seen how we can create a simple product, a virtual and downloadable product, a group product, a variable product. So today we'll select a subscription product. So we'll click this simple subscription and you'll see that as soon as you select simple subscription as your product type, the options in our general tab have changed. They are not the same as they are for the simple product, as you can see. So here we have to add the subscription price, which will be, let's say, $30 every month. You can choose every second month, every third, fourth, fifth or sixth month according to you. And from here you can choose every day, every week, every month or every year. So this basically depends on the kind of subscription you are selling. So if you are selling a yearly subscription, you will choose every year here and the user will be charged $30 every year. I'll keep it to month. Here we have to select when this subscription will expire. That is when the user will be prompted to renew his subscription and pay for the subscription all over again. So as we have set the subscription for every month, so this will expire after 1 month. You can add a one-time sign-up fee. The customer will have to pay this sign-up fee only for the first time is signing up for the simple subscription, or you can leave it empty to provide a free sign up. I leave it empty. You can add a free trial as well. So let's say I give a 14 days free trial on my subscription, and same as before you can choose weeks, months and years from here. Let's say I want to give them a free trial period of 1 month. I'll change it to this. Let's keep it to 14 days. You can add a sale price as well. Let's say the sale price is $27. Now as this is a subscription product for a web hosting which will not be shipped to the user, so we do not need this shipping tab, so we will check this checkbox that this is a virtual product and that shipping tab will be no longer visible. You can add an SKU number to this product subscription. Now as there is no stock management in the virtual product, so I'll leave this unchecked. You can add custom attributes to it. And you can customize all of these options according to you, as we have seen in our past videos. I'll add the product short description here. Let me create a category for this product. Let's say subscription and I'll add it. And now our product lies in this subscriptions category. I'll scroll down and I'll choose a product image and I'll upload the files from my computer. I'll choose this one as my product image, and let's say in the product gallery I want more than one images, so I'll choose both of these and click add to gallery, and these images have now been added to my gallery. So that's pretty much all how you can set up a subscription product. You can play with these settings according to you. I'll publish it and let's see how it looks. Okay, the product is now live on the website. It can be seen on the shop page. I'll view this product from here. And you'll see that we have our subscription product set up. This is the title we gave to the product. This is the name of the product and the category, the default breadcrumb. And here you'll see the price for the subscription. Its regular price is $30 for a month, but as we have put it on sale, so it is $27 for a month, and it has a 14 days free trial. This is the short description we added. Here we can choose the number of months we want subscription for. So to sign up for this subscription, I'll have to click sign up now, and it will add this product to the cart. I'll view the cart, and I have added this product in the cart. And in the cart total we can see that we are purchasing it for 1 month, and it is the first renewal of our subscription. And you can proceed to the checkout from here. So that's all about how we can add a subscription product to our WooCommerce store and sell our subscriptions in a more appealing way. That's all about this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications for every new video uploaded. Thank you and see you in the next video.